Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you a Shaolin taolu, which is called the Luohan form. Now this taolu is very interesting, and how I will talk you later. First, see the demonstration properly, otherwise you cannot understand the explanation. So here we go. Okay, do you see the taolu carefully? Good. Now, let's talk about how it is beneficial for you. Now, the main and important thing in this taolu is the masking technique. This taolu teaches you how you can use your body as a mask. What is the mean? The meaning is you can hide your attacking move behind your body, or you can use your body to hide your attacking move. So your opponent cannot understand which move you are going to perform. And now, the second thing is very interesting. This taolu teaches you how you can attack, block, and also counter attack in moving position and sitting position. You know, sometimes attacking is the best way of defense. So this is very important to learn how to attack in moving and also how to defend in moving. Okay? And now the third and the final thing. Some people think Kung Fu is very useless in street fights, and some people think Kung Fu is very hard. And I know your problem, but I have a good solution for you. Try it, and then I think it is better for you. Now let's talk about what is this. There are many taolus in Kung Fu, and every taolu teaches you many moves: attack, defense, and also counter attacks. Do not remember them all. Practice them all and then pick up your favorite moves. This can be an attacking move or blocking move or a counter attack move. This makes a Kung Fu, and not only that, other fighting styles in martial art very easy for you, because you make these fighting techniques or battle techniques by your own. So you can understand it very easily, and not only that, you can apply it very easily. At the end, I will tell you one very important thing. And what is this? The main thing is you have to practice fighting or demo fighting with your partner or your friend. This is the only way to learn fighting and self-defense. Otherwise, no one can teach you how to defend or how to self-defense or how to attack and how to fight. So this is very important that you practice with your friend or your partner. This will clear your knowledge, and not only that, this will give you the real knowledge, which is very important in real situation. So this is it guys. I hope you learned something new, and I hope my advice will help you a lot in your martial art journey. So keep practicing, and I will meet you next video. Until then, bye.